Hello.
One of the features introduced in the Sena 20S is the Group Intercom feature. The Sena smartphone app for iPhone and Android mobile phones allows you to create and manage intercom groups. Once a group intercom has been created, you can use 3 different methods for connecting a group intercom together, or you can disconnect all of the headsets when ending a group intercom. Here is how to create and manage a group intercom using the smartphone app. Pair and connect a Sena 20S to your iPhone or Android phone using the instructions in the mobile phone pairing section found in the user's guide for the 20S. Note: you can pair and connect your mobile phone before starting the smartphone app, or you can pair it through the app itself. After pairing and connecting your mobile phone, the app will show that the Sena 20S is connected and show what the current firmware version that is on the headset. Tap the icon in the upper left to see the following sections that are available on your smartphone app: My Device, Group Intercom, Pairing List, Setting, and Quick Guide. To see your current intercom group and to be able to create intercom groups through the smartphone app, tap the Group Intercom section. The Group Intercom section is the status screen of the current intercom group that is currently available on your 20S. Since the intercom group has not been created yet, this screen will only show your paired headset. To create an intercom group, tap the Group Settings button at the bottom. In the Group Settings menu, you can create an intercom group by adding other 20S headsets through the app. Press the Add button to scan and add 20S headsets to your intercom group. Other 20S headsets need to be powered on in order for them to show up in the list when the smartphone app is scanning. When scanning is complete, you can press the Test button to cause that scanned headset to produce a sound through its own speakers. The app will prompt you if you hear the sound through the speakers. If you do, choose Yes. Press the Add button in the list of scanned devices to add that headset into your group. If you want to edit the intercom group so that you can delete members of the group or change the connection order, press the Edit button in the top right of the app. When you are done editing the intercom group, press the Done button in the top right of the app. The checkboxes on the right side of the Group Settings menu indicates which headsets will be connected when the group intercom is started. Pressing the checkbox next to the headset that is paired and connected to your mobile phone will select all members in the group. Note: only the boxes that are checked will get saved to the 20S. Unchecked means that it can still be saved to the mobile phone. To save this group intercom list from your mobile phone to your Sena 20S, press the Save to My Sena 20S button. The app will prompt you if you will want to save this list to your 20S, and you can press Yes. By selecting Yes when prompted, the Connect button will be available so that when you press this button to activate the group intercom and cause all headsets with a check mark to connect to the group intercom. Note: the amount of time it takes for all headsets in a group intercom to connect together depends on the number of headsets within the group. The more headsets in the group, the longer it takes for all headsets to connect together. In addition to creating the intercom group, you can also edit the name of your intercom group, your 20S, or any of the members of the intercom group. With the Save as Favorite Group button, you can save the current group in use list as favorite group 1, 2, or 3. You can save the changes to the favorite group after any headsets that have been added or removed using the Edit button by pressing the Save button. These changes will be saved to the app and not the 20S. When you want to connect the headsets that you have assigned after you have saved an intercom group as favorite group 1, 2, or 3, press the Use This Group button. Select Yes when prompted. Select the Group in Use drop-down menu. Press the Save to My Sena 20S. Select Yes when prompted. And press the Connect button. This needs to be done each time you want to switch between your favorite groups.